Nearly 2 years since the deadly hangar collapse near the Boise Airport killed 3 people. The fallout returned to court today. A court hearing was held as Big D Builders and Zurich Insurance faced off over coverage costs. And I was in the courtroom as the judge heard arguments from both sides. The collapse happened in January of 2024 while a new aircraft hangar was under construction at the Boise Airport. 3 construction workers were killed when part of the structure failed, prompting multiple investigations, lawsuits, and scrutiny. Now, one of those legal battles centers on insurance coverage. Big D Builders, the general contractor of the hangar, is seeking about $1.16 million from Zurich Insurance, saying the company wrongfully denied coverage for 4 columns and foundational footings that failed in the collapse. In court, Big D argued the project was a single standalone hangar built under a more than $6.2 million construction contract, and that the columns and footings were always part of the structure, not an addition to an existing building. Big D pointed to the insurance policy it purchased, saying Zurich set its premium based on the total project value and should not now exclude those same elements from coverage. Zurich pushed back, telling the judge the policy only covers work done during the policy period, not parts of the project that were already installed before coverage began. Much of the hearing focused on very specific contract language, including phrases like has been installed, will be installed, and existing inventory. At one point, the judge summed it up simply, saying, quote, words matter, and questioned how different parts of the same construction project could be treated differently under the policy. This insurance dispute comes just weeks after confidential settlements were reached with the victims' families in the wrongful death cases. The settlement amounts have not been disclosed, and no public statements have been made by Big D or other parties linking the payment of those settlements to this insurance case. The judge says he'll issue a written decision after reviewing additional case law. Meanwhile, Big D Builder is also scheduled to appear at a federal OSHA hearing in May in Denver.